In an annuity, you can make regular payments into the account which will accrue interest over time. At first, we make a payment of size P. Then, rather than just staying at that level, it will accrue interest. Then you will make another payment, raising the level of the account. From there, it will accrue interest. So there will be a combination of money paid in and also interest. And it's a great way of saving money because you not only get the money back that you paid in, but you also get the interest that it earns over time. The formula for an annuities account value is given below. Use the ordinary annuity formula to find the amount in an annuity if $100 is invested monthly for 2 years at 1% interest compounded monthly. All right, so there's a lot to extract there. Let's just write down what was given. First of all, P is the payment this time. $100 per month. A is unknown. That's what they're asking us to find. But we also see that N is 12 because it's monthly. Monthly payments, monthly compounding. R is 0.01. And T is the time, 2 years. Let's plug it in. Okay, here's the calculation we need. I'm going to go ahead and write out how to enter it into your calculator. Okay, and that's how it should appear on your calculator. Let's go ahead and plug that in. I get 2,423.14. Okay. Now it's easy to calculate how much interest you actually earned here. Because remember, you were paying in $100 for 2 years. So take that $100 per month, multiply by 2 years, and then 12 months per year. So we paid $2,400 in, but you get out $2,423. So that $23.14 actually represents the interest that you earned on the annuity. Now in this case, it wasn't a whole lot of interest because it's a low APR. It's also a short time and a relatively low payment amount. But if we increase those things, we could get a substantially larger output. In this one, we'll calculate the amount that would be in your annuity if you paid $10 each month for 10 years at a 3.5 APR compounded monthly. Okay, there's the setup. I get 1434.33. Okay. How much did the person really pay in? $10 times 10 years times 12 months. they paid in $1,200. So in this case, they actually got out $234 in interest. $30 per month, 9% interest, that's a lot. 25 years, that's a long time to pay into the annuity. So I think we'll get a substantial result this time. Okay. All right, I get 33,633.66. And let's see how much they're paying in. All right, so they're going to pay in 30 times 25 years times 12. They're actually only paying in $9,000. So how much interest is that? It would be 633.66 minus the 9,000. They're earning 24,633.66 in interest. That's a good deal.